What's up, everybody? Welcome to another episode of eBay Business Owners. My name is Chris. Today I'm going to show you guys how to save some money and take advantage of your eBay free shipping supplies if you have an eBay store subscription. So don't forget about using it. You get a coupon every quarter to go towards shipping supplies. And I'm going to show you which supplies I use and a couple of links that will help you out. The first link is bit.ly/free USPS supplies. So if you're listening to this in the podcast, it's in the store, it's in the show notes. So make sure to look at the 3 links that I include. It'll help you link to free supplies. So the first one is the post office. I have it down here on the left. You can order USPS boxes, envelopes. I recommend you get one of every single kind of box just to test it. If you want to do eBay for a living, or Poshmark or Mercari, it's nice to use the post office's free supplies for priority mail only. Don't use it for first class mail. Don't use it illegally. It's a federal crime to misuse these products. So use it for priority mail only. Also watch out with the flat rate parcels. You need to use it specifically for flat rate unless you're doing Poshmark labels, which they have an agreement with the post office where it overrides that, and any flat rate box can be used to ship an item. So for Poshmark specifically, you could actually ship a bra in a large flat rate box and it'd be the same cost as an envelope. So just be careful whatever platform you're using, but all the supplies are free at bit.ly/free USPS supplies. I just shortened that for you guys. There's no affiliate link there. It's just a link to the USPS postal website. You could also Google free USPS supplies. The second one is your subscriber discount for being a store owner in eBay. That's going to take you to the screen over here. I have a $150 coupon because I have an anchor store. So if you click on see details, it'll pull up an actual code. You can type that code into your middle screen, which is what I have pulled up here, which is my cart. I like to buy the 14.5 by 18.5 envelopes with no padding for shoes. Okay, so what I actually do is I bubble wrap shoes in their box and then put that directly in this poly mailer just to save time. Now, of course, your customers are going to be more happy if it's double boxed on an expensive pair of shoes, but you know me, I sell a lot of pre-owned shoes that are just fine bubble wrapped and put into this envelope. I'm just doing it to save time and space. So I order this every quarter. These supplies don't get me through the quarter, only gets me through about 3 weeks, but that's okay. I have Uline as a supplier, and I also buy whatever is cheapest. I do spend a little bit of time looking for the best deal on packaging each month. I try not to keep more than a month's worth of shipping supplies because it takes up a lot of room and I'm working with a limited amount of space. So hopefully you guys are not ordering too much. Just keep about a 2-week to 1 month inventory of boxes for yourself. Use this coupon. So you can see I'm getting $149 worth of shipping supplies here for free. Okay, because it's included in my anchor store subscription, which is nice because I'm paying $300 basically just for insertion fees on up to 10,000 items. It's up to 1,000 with the premium store and up to 250 free listings with the basic store. They also have a new baby store, and I don't think that any shipping supplies come with that store, but this is one way for you guys to take advantage. Don't miss on this coupon. It actually expired. It expires at the end of every quarter, so it doesn't stack up. You have to use it. So make sure you use it. And then finally, if you guys want to help me out, please use my affiliate code to shop for your supplies. That's going to help me keep making videos. So I just made a short link, bit.ly/eBay supplies. That's going to take you directly to the 9.5 by the 9 by 11.5 envelope, which is what I use to ship clothing. So it's a little bit bigger than a piece of paper, 8.5 by 11, and that's going to fit most of your small shoes and most of your first class items that you're shipping out. So that would really help me out. The way the eBay partner network works is you actually get half of the eBay fees paid to you. So if you guys want to learn how to set up eBay partner network, I do have another video in my channel. You can search for how to use eBay Partner Network. That will help you guys take advantage of that. Worst case scenario, you should be using that just to get half of the eBay fees back when you buy something. It's essentially like a 3 to 4% discount when you're buying something, which adds up. It's very, very significant. So make sure you guys have, I recommend an account where you buy things and an account where you sell things. Take advantage of all this free money. It's not as aggressive as Amazon affiliate program, but again, I'm trying to support eBay as much as I can because I like eBay more than Amazon. But again, just go to where the money is at. I'm trying to help you guys earn more money, save more money. So these are the 3 links. The first one is free USPS supplies. That's going to help you guys get free supplies from the post office for priority mail only or express. Secondly, this bit.ly/free store supplies takes you to the eBay link where you guys can use your coupon to get, I think it's $25, $50, or $150 off your supplies for the quarter. And then finally use my code to shop for these things so I can get a little bit of a commission for making this video for you. And that's bit.ly/eBay supply. So hope that helps, guys. I'm going to make my videos really short in the future for the most part, except for the live and Q&As, because I just want to be as useful as I can and get off. So please help me out, like, subscribe, and have a great day, guys. Make progress daily.